Hello, today we are going to learn about the functions of Google Meet. Google Meet is already included in Google Workspace and Google Workspace for Education Fundamentals. To start using Meet as part of Google Workspace, simply log into your Google account and turn on video calling for your organization. Now let's get started. First, you need to locate the waffle in the top right-hand corner of your Google account and locate the Meet button. Clicking on the Meet button, it will take you to the Google Meet home screen. You have multiple options here. You can either click New Meeting to get a link you can send to people you want to meet with. You can join a meeting by typing in a code or a nickname. And you can lock your meetings here. We are going to start a new meeting. Once you click New Meeting, you have some more options as well. You can either create a meeting for later on, you can start an instant meeting for this moment right now, or you can schedule a Google Meet in the Google Calendar. We are going to start an instant meeting. You must allow Meet to use your camera and microphone in order for your Google Meet to work. All right, now your meeting is ready. You can add others by clicking this box up here and sharing the info, or you can copy and paste the link, the dial-in, and the PIN number. You will always have access to this information again, so it is safe to click out of it for now. You will notice at the bottom of your screen, you have multiple buttons. You have a microphone button to turn your microphone on and off. You have a camera button to turn your camera on and off. You have a closed caption button so you can see what people are saying while they are saying it. You can raise your hand so the person hosting the Google Meet will see that you have either a question or you would like to say something. You can present your screen in multiple ways by clicking this button. And then there are even more options when you click the three dots, such as record your meeting, use a whiteboard, change the layout, go to full screen, and more. Today's purpose is to show you the different functions that Google Meet has to offer for you as an educator. If we go over to the right-hand side, you will see this Activities button. If you were to click on the Activities button, you will see the options for breakout rooms, polls, question and answer, recording, and whiteboarding. In this video, we are going to learn about each one of these different activities so you can become a better teacher by using Google Meet. We are going to start with diving into the breakout rooms. If there were more people in this call, you would be able to set up breakout rooms by choosing who you wanted to put into separate little mini calls. You would click the Set Up Breakout Rooms. You would choose how many rooms you want. You can set a timer and say to end the breakout rooms after, let's say, 10 minutes. If you wanted to shuffle the members around, you would hit the shuffle button, or if you wanted to start over again, you just hit clear. If there were more people in this call, you would notice that there would be names underneath Breakout 1 and Breakout 2. If you wanted to move somebody who was in Breakout 1 to Breakout 2, all you would have to do is click on the name and drag it below. Once you click Open Rooms, it will kick those members out of this meet and into the breakout room meets. As the owner of the video or the host of the video, you can visit the different breakout rooms as you please. After the timer is up, it will push all of your Google Meet members back into the home Google Meet that you started with. The next activity you can use during a Google Meet is a poll. If you click on polls, it will take you to start a poll. When you want to start a poll, you click on the blue button. You can type in your question, such as, how do you feel about using Google Meets? Range from 1 to 5, 1 being not confident and 5 being very confident. Option 1 would be 1, option 2 would be 2, option 3, 3, 4, and 5. I could save it and I can go ahead and launch it. When it says to launch it, it means push it out into the people that are in your Google Meet. They will see the question and the answer choices, and they can vote as to how they are feeling. You, as the host of Google Meet, will get the names and answers to the poll. The next activity we are going to go over is the Q&A. This is where you can give everyone an easy way to ask questions or answer the questions that the Google Meet host posts. When we click on Q&A, it is a function you have to turn on. Since it's a function you have to turn on, you also have the opportunity to turn it off if students are misusing the function or if it's just not an appropriate time to ask a question. Once you turn on your Q&A, a notification will pop up for the students. You can always choose which questions to show and how to sort them. Let's do an example question. What is 5 times 5? I will click post. Now I can see that my question is live. If I need to hide my question, I will simply click on the I. If my question has been answered by a student and I don't want to leave it open for anybody else to answer, I can click the check mark, which means mark as answered. And if I want to get rid of a question for some reason, you can easily choose the trash can. Like I said, this function can be turned off at any time. All you have to do is click this box right here and it'll turn it on gray. The next activity we are going to review is the recording activity. This is one of the most popular activities Google Meet has to offer, mainly because you can record your entire Google Meet session to watch or send to someone else later on. Simply click the recording button. It'll ask you to record your video call. Click start. And once you see this red logo pop up in the top left-hand corner, your Google Meet has started to record. It will record until you click the stop recording button. After you click the stop recording button, the recorded Google Meet will save to your Google Drive and you will get a copy emailed to you in your Gmail account. That way you don't have to save it. It's automatically saved and it's in your inbox for further use. But like I said, once you're done recording, simply click stop recording, verify that you want to stop recording, and it's done. The final activity I'm going to show you today on Google Meet is the whiteboarding activity. This is where you and your colleagues can work up ideas together by using another app called Jamboard. You simply click Start a New Whiteboard. It will create a jam or a Jamboard for you, and your colleagues or you and your students can start working out either math problems, coming up with ideas, creating an organizer for everyone to see. Simply click on the pen and you can start writing. After you complete your whiteboarding activity, You can either share it to you can present it in a meeting, or you can download it as a PDF, but it will automatically save for you. Then you can simply exit out of it, and it says a link to the jam will be sent to everybody in the call. That link will go through your Google Drive and will be sent through your Gmail account. Now that you have been given a tutorial on the different activities and functions of Google Meet, I hope you are more confident going into your next Google Meet and seeing all of the different things that you can do and share with your students and your colleagues.